Good morning, Standard 4 children. Today I'm preparing this video for you. Okay, last conference class I was explaining you second chapter GUI operating system, desktop management. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about the desktop. We already had discussed. Okay, this is the first screen which comes after switching on the computer. Okay, so desktop we already had discussed. Parts of desktop screen which you are seeing here. So this is your desktop screens. These small pictures, okay, are called icons, and here this is taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Here this is taskbar, this is start button, this is quick launch bar. All icons are here, no? This is Internet Explorer icon, documents, window media player, MS Paint. So these are icons of quick launch bar. From here you can start any program quickly. Okay, and this area is notification area. Okay, here you can see volume buttons and different buttons are there. Notification area shows you date and time, and here you can see date and time, and the rightmost end of this taskbar there is show desktop button. Okay, so these are the parts of desktop. Okay, we had already discussed. Now desktop background, I told you this is an image. Okay, desktop background, it's an image which is provided by the operating system at the behind of icons, behind of the icons. Okay, this picture is called desktop background. You can call it wallpaper also. So the default wallpaper is the window screen. Okay, window screen. If you do not change, okay, if you do not select any background, so default one which operating system provides you, that is Windows logo. Okay, which is given in your book at page number 15. Okay, this one here. Okay, if on your computer, if this one is the picture behind the icon, okay, this is the Windows logo. Okay, by default operating system provide you this one. Okay, but there are many options. Okay, you can change this desktop background. It is very easy to change desktop background, and in the empty area of the desktop, do right click. Okay, and here you get the personalize option at the end of this shortcut menu. Okay, at the end of the shortcut menu there is personalize option. So when you click on it, okay, so now you can see this is personalization dialog box. Okay, or you can call it the personalization window. So it appears. Okay, here you will get desktop background option. Okay, this is desktop background option. Okay, now here you click. So this is picture location. It shows you this is the window of desktop background. This is the window of desktop background. Here picture location it is given. Okay, so when you click on this arrow button, so it shows you different options. Different options are there. Okay, this is the default one, Windows desktop background. It shows you all these options. Okay, different pictures are there, you can choose. Okay, picture library. Okay, then if you have pictures solid colors, only if you want only colors. Okay, so this also can be set as desktop background. Only colorful screen will be there. Solid color option. So this is solid color option. This is picture library. Picture library shows all the pictures which you have in your computer system. Okay, so picture library shows you these are some sample pictures which is provided by the Windows operating system. Okay, and these are the pictures which I have in my computer system. Okay, different planets picture. are there in my collection. So you can set these pictures also as your desktop background. These also can be set as desktop background. Understood? So, and if you select desktop, so these are pictures which I had drawn in MS Paint screen to describe how to do drawing. Okay, so different options are there. I'm going to choose first one. Here, it's cartoon one. Okay, click on save changes option. Here it is. Okay, so this way you can see desktop background is now changed. So changing desktop background, it's very easy. You can change it very easily. Understood, no? Okay, so through this desktop background option, okay, we can change the desktop background. Okay, different options are here. So you can go to the browse also. Browse option. Okay. Here it is, browse. When you click on this browse button, it shows you all different parts where you can save your file. Okay, your saved files. Suppose I have this pics folder, okay, of pictures. So this from here also you can select picture. I have these all many pictures, and you can see all these pictures are selected. Okay, all these are selected. So you have to click on the clear all option. Clear all option, click here. So all will be deselected. Now all are deselected. Now the picture which you want on your desktop, you can choose from here. Okay, whichever picture, I have many here. So suppose this one, this picture if I want. So this one, I selected this one for the desktop background. Done. Then click on save changes. Okay, so now you can see the desktop background image. Okay, this has come. So this way we can change the desktop background. Clear? So any picture if you have in your computer, okay, in any file or folder you have pictures. So from there to you can those pictures also you can set as your desktop background. Okay, so your personal picture, your family picture, that can be set as the desktop background. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now next is given color scheme. So again do right click in the empty area. Done. Click on personalize. Okay, this is personalization window, and here is the window color option. Window color option. Okay, now see different colors are appeared. Okay, color blocks are there. So you can set these colors, okay, for window. Okay, every program it's come in its window. Okay, so Windows color, that also can be changed. Okay, this is the color intensity button. Okay, color intensity you can reduce and you can make it intense. Okay, dark color. If you drag it to the right, color will become dark, and if you drag it to the left side, color will become light. Okay, so now suppose here I have chosen this color. So you can see this window, its top part, it is converted into this color, and here too also, you know, color is changed. Okay, now see, suppose this one. Okay, see, color is changed. Suppose this pink color. So you can, okay, you can make it dark pink, and if you drag it to the left, so color will be faded now, light one. Okay, suppose this green. So green color has come. Dark green if you want, drag it towards the right, and light green if you want, drag it to the left. You can see the changes in color. Okay, so I'm keeping it at the middle, and then click on Save Changes option. There you have to click now Save Changes option at the last. Okay, now it is done. After this, now every window, whichever window you will be open, okay, you can see it will come in green color. Okay, here you can see windows are appearing in green color. Okay, taskbar color, its title bar color, you can see these are appearing in green color because I changed the color. Okay, again you can see now, again I'm doing right click, go to the personalize option. This is window color. Okay, now suppose this one chocolate color. Okay, so chocolate color has come, drag to the right. Okay, this is the dark shade. Okay, if you want it light shade, so that also can be done. Okay, and changes you can feel. Changes you can feel. Suppose this color, so you can see here Windows top part color is changed, and in the taskbar also color is changed. Okay, suppose this orange if you want. Okay, so if you make it dark one, so dark color appearing, and then the taskbar also you can see dark orange, it is there, and if you drag it to the right side, so color will become light. Okay, done. Now click on Save Changes option. So after this, now you can see taskbar will appear in this color. Okay, and whichever program you will open, now here you see its title bar, it is also appearing in orange color, and taskbar it is already here in orange color. Okay, so this is the setting for color. Okay, color. I hope you understood now.